Let me give you a little bit of an overview about Welldon. So the company was established way back in 2003, and they're focused more on the design, the development, manufacturing, and sales of baby car seats. And of course, they meet the ECE and CCC certification. And the factory is about 30,000 square meters. They have 300 employees here in this factory alone. Of course, this factory passed the certifications such as the ISO 9001 and SEDEX certification. They've been exporting for 18 years already, and they're focused more on the EU market or European market. Of course, there are other regions around the world that they also export into, such as the Southeast Asia and Eastern Asia. 90% actually is exported to Europe. All right, now I am at the showroom of Welldon. And of course, all their products have passed the ECE R44 or R129. All the accessories as well have passed the EN71, 2, and 3 standards. In fact, I actually have copies of their certificates or certifications that I have here. I have here the CDEX certification. I have a copy of the CDEX certification if you want to have a look. There you go. And of course, we also have their R44 certification here as well. The Netherlands, I love that. And of course, this factory is ISO 9001 certified, and I have a copy of their certification as well. And all other certification and test reports, of course, EN71 ASTM, they comply with these standards. That means all the products that I have here are actually compliant with the European and the North American markets. So I'm in one of the facilities, which is the assembly line. So this is where all those parts that we've seen all throughout the tour, that they assemble everything and will end up with the finished product. Now this line is just one of many, so it starts from behind me and it will end over here. Now as you can see, from part by part, it's going to be screwed from the fabric part, from the padding to the plastic mold or a part of the seat. Everything's being screwed together, the metal parts, and then it ends over here, if you'll follow me. And this part is actually the inspection part. So at the end of this line is actually where these two check. And when she's done inspecting, everything will be box wrapped here. There you go. All right, so I am at Welldon's testing lab, and I have here so many machines. I actually know what they are for, but what caught my attention is specifically this one. So let me just ask. So, hello. So, what is this? 什么? What is this?
疲劳测试.
Oh, okay. So actually, this is a fatigue testing machine. What this does actually is it simulates the lifetime of this product, this specific product, for example. So as you can see, this machine will never get tired. It tries to simulate like when you adjust this baby car seat, so it goes like up and down, recline, and all those things. So it will do this repeatedly. Therefore, trying to identify or trying to test how long that this product can actually last. So I am here now at their research and development facility, and behind me are just some of the few designers that they have here. It's their in-house designers, based in China, of course. They have around 20 designers, very talented designers, and like my friend over here is quite busy. And I've been looking at this guy earlier on, and I can see that he's kind of working on the frame. Could be a new product.